Here the question number 101 I have already solved in my earlier video. Now I am going to solve question number 102. Here the question is already given here. The question says the factors of p square plus 6p plus 8 are this, and this. So options are 4. We have to choose the correct one. So in order to choose correct one, first we have to solve this one. So what we have to do? We have to write this one here. Solution. P square plus 6p plus 8. So what we have to do in this problem, we have to go for splitting the middle terms. Okay, we have to split this number into two number. Find first of all what we have to do. We have to multiply this and this. What we will get? P square into 8. Obviously we will get 8p square. Okay, now you see this 6p. What we have to do with 6p? Here we have to take two numbers. If you multiply that two number, we should get this 8. Okay, 8p square. And that two number, we have to add that two number or subtract that two number. We need this 6. So how to find that two number? So what we have to do? We have to go for this one. Prime factorations 8. So take the smallest number, that multiple, that will give 8. Obviously that is 2 4s are 8. Now you see, if you multiply 2 into 4, what will get? 8. And if we add this 2 plus 4, what will get? 6. So these are matching with our conditions. So what we have to do? In place of this 8, 2 into 4, we are getting 8. You can also write like this, 2p into 4p, that is 8p square, and 2 plus 4, what we are getting? 6. 2p plus 6p, 4p, we are getting 6p. So in place of this 6p, we have to write this 2p plus 4p. So p square plus 2p plus 4p plus 8. Now we see that this p square and p, these are common. P's are common here. P square, p1 is there and 1 is p is there. So those are common, we have to chalk out from the bracket. You can write like this. If we have 2p plus 2, same you can write here p plus 2. You can see this is addition sign. We have to write here. Now we have to put here such number. If we multiply that such number with this, we need this 4p. Okay. And if we multiply this with this, we get this 8. What we will, obviously if you put here 4, what we will get? 4 into p, 4p, 4 2s are 8. You can write this one first, p plus 2 and p plus 4. Therefore, what is our answer? This is A. P plus 2 and P plus 4. Here, in order to solve these problems, you have a knowledge about this splitting the middle terms. Okay. So to know about this splitting the middle terms, you have to knowledge about these quadratic equations. QUA, DRA, TI, so quadratic equations. Quadratic equations of NCERT class 10 maths of chapter 4. So in order to know about this solution of these problems, you have to know these quadratic equations. You have to know, you have a knowledge about splitting the middle terms. You have to study this. So I have already given the complete solution of this quadratic equation chapter of class 10 maths of chapter 4 in my video. You can see there, and even the solutions which I've already given here. If you have any doubt, then you can comment on my video.